August 28, 2021, a strong storm with heavy rain, hail and strong winds hit Puglia, Gargano, Foggia, Italy. There are several reports of intervention in the areas of Vieste, Peschici, Mattonata, Gattarella and Reganella. In Peschici, the internal road to Vieste has become a river. Dangerous roads with debris and mud, explain eyewitness on social media. The most critical situation, where in some districts the water has reached even half a meter in height, in San Nicandro Garganico. Flash floods occurs in roads, garages and houses. There were 2 teams of volunteers in action with dewatering pumps in Vico del Gargano, where flooding happened in different areas. The main road that connects Peschici to Vieste was completely flooded. In districts of Cagnano Verano and San Nicandro Garganico they were without electricity. But summer is not over yet, it will only be a short break. In fact, between the end of August and the first week of September, the latest weather models suggest a new reinforcement of the North African anticyclone, guaranteeing a hot weather again in Gargano area.
Video! Ti sto facendo il video, è pazzesca la cosa! La scopa!
Gargano, guarda, Rodi Gargano, guarda.